Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Fan Feature Friday. Hope you all had a great week and as always an even better weekend planned ahead. So we are now back officially in Florida. The videos were a little scarce this week, obviously there wasn't any. But we do have a Fan Feature Friday submission from Austin. So thank you Austin for keeping this going, I appreciate it. Guys, the videos will 100% start next week. Maybe I'll throw in a couple this weekend. We have family in town, so Alaska, family in town, a lot of stuff going on. Excuses, but they will come back. I promise. I'm not dead from YouTube, okay? I promise. I will not just go away. So like I said, this Fan Feature Friday comes from Austin, and Austin is from Port Aransas, Texas. I'm definitely 100% saying that wrong, but he has a 2014 Toyota 4Runner SR5 four-wheel drive, and I'll put his Instagram right here so you guys can go over there and go ahead and give him a follow. Some of the modifications that Austin has done so far is a 3-inch lift on Fox 2.0 coilovers with toytech rear springs, TRD front skid plate, RGB rock LED lights, which freaking look great, and it looks very uniform, like not like just rock light. It looks super uniform. Austin, it looks really good. Morimoto projector LED fog lights, DDM Tuning 50-watt LED high beams, and DDM's 5K HID kit for the 4Runner. By far some of the best lights that I've had in my 4Runner. Love the HIDs in them. OEM RKR sidesteps, tons of recovery gear as you guys can see in some of his photos. It gets dirty. And 20x10 fuel rims wrapped with 275, 65, 20s nitro terra Grappler G2s. Look really good. Some of Austin's future mods that he wants to come is Icon upper control arms, Relentless Fab Predator full front bumper with winch and lights, Regear to 456 with ARB lockers both front and rear. And when I guess he's sick of that black paint, he's gonna want to Linex the whole 4Runner in a quicksand color. So Austin, thank you very much for sending in your 4Runner. I appreciate it. If you guys have a Toyota or any vehicle and you're a fan, go ahead and send it in for Fan Feature Friday. We would love to see it and love to give you guys a shout out. I appreciate you guys sticking with me in this little bit of a drought, but I will catch you guys in the next video and have a great weekend. See you later.